Now the same example we are going to implement in PyCharm. So that is ideally. So simply I am writing that print of this 10 is greater than 5. So simply we have an arithmetic. If the condition is satisfied, you will get the result is true, otherwise false. Simply same example, print 5 is greater than 10. Okay. Next one is print 10 is equal to 5, like that. Okay. So the first, actually 10 is greater than 5 is condition is satisfied. That's why you will get the true condition, and here 5 is greater than 10 is not satisfied. You will get false, like that you will get. So that's the execution of this. You will get the result for this expression is. So sorry, here is equal symbol is double equal. Then press this. So what is the condition is, first one is print 10 greater than 5, you will get true, and print 5 greater than 10 is not possible, so that is a false. So true and false, always the first letter is capital. Okay, print 10 is equal to 5, that is not satisfied. So this is the example for Boolean values. Similarly, we can represent the same example in this. Here A is equal to 500 and B is equal to 600. Okay, now I am writing that example is if B is greater than A, I am representing B is greater than A, then I am writing that print expression is a print of, whenever you are adding that if or for, you have to use a colon. Okay, then the double quotation, B is greater than A, that is expression for first instruction. Next, simply I am using that else also you have to follow the colon symbol. Then print that example is in the single or double quotation, B is not greater than A. After execution of this instruction, you will get the result. So first one is B is greater than A, like that you will get based on that expression. The same expression, how can you say the particular evaluate values into variables, like that you have to do. So what the Boolean example is, can be represented in the form of print of Boolean expression is BOOL of in double quotation, I am taking that quotation, like that. After execution of this, you will get that is it true or not. So that's why it can be converting from string to Boolean expression. Similarly, if you take the same example, you are considering in terms of integer, that is also it can be converting. That's why you will be get true. Okay, so whatever the values you have, that finally you can convert it into the same example. For example, A is equal to academy and B is equal to Chennai, like that you have to. Otherwise you may take a number, like simply you can take 50. Now I am representing the same example for this is here print of Boolean of X. The same example it can be represented in terms of Y, that is a Control C, and you can the same, the value is Y. After execution of these two lines, you will be get that result is the X and Y values. Sorry, X value is same, Y value. Sorry, we are taking that variables are A and B, taking that A and this one is B. That's why we got the errors. then you will get both are trues. So this is the concept for to check the particular function is variable or not. Whatever the function may be in list or simply you can take b is equal to, in terms of the my name is that I am representing that c is equal to, then you can represent of bool of string, then bool of 50, like that we can represent this. Sometimes you may consider as here d is equal to in list, okay, you may consider that value is bat, ball, so then you can get the data based on this expression. You may represent in terms of that boolean function. So simply you can take boolean function of all the entire data. After execution of this, you can run the entire process, true or false, like that you will be get the data is true or not. So simply I'm going to represent that print of b, print of c, print of d, and execution of this you will get all are true. Okay. So this is the example for boolean function. Okay. So sometimes you may prefer that definition function you can represent as true or false, like that. So in definition of this, for example, my function name is quotation, I'm representing the brackets, then at the end of this colon, and simply I am representing as return and simply you can take true, capital, then you can write that print of quotation, and execution of the program, then you will get is it true or not, like that you can take. This is actual definition function. Based on that you can run the program. Okay. Thank you.